everyone, it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and I have a special little kitting up video today, and I've dragged hubby in to do this one. So I picked up a couple of Diamond Dotz kits from Joann's recently, and I have done an unboxing, which there will be a video up already for these, but I picked this one up for to get hubby involved in the diamond painting world. It's just a partial, but I thought I'd let him kit up himself. So you can say hello.
Hello.
You'll probably just see his hands anyway. He doesn't talk much. So you have the choice. You can either use, let's see how many colours you've got. It doesn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 colours. So you can either use one of these with the little pots in, or you can use this one that has all the little screw pots. So which would you prefer to use?
Which one do you want to use?
No, you pick.
I'll use that one.
You're going to use the pot one. Okay, so these are your drills. Okay, so the only thing I would say is on these, so I work by number, which is usually on the canvas, but there's no numbers on this canvas. Oh, okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, so that's fine. So if you're going to work on that basis, so sometimes you can work on the symbol instead. The DD number, which is the Diamond Dotz version of their colour number. I think there's a conversion that you can do over to DMC as well, so I'm going to have to go and have a look for that. So you've got your drills out. Let's just move that out of the way. I wouldn't tear the packets. So do you want to move in a bit?
Okay.
So you've got a bit of desk to sort it out. So which method are you going to go with? You're going to cut all the packets individually first? No? Okay, so you're going to cut one. Are you going to get pot number 1? That's it. Move in screen a bit so they can see what you're doing. So which way are you going to do it? You're going to cut it at an angle. Okay. Is that your number 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if we can get them all in the pot. There we go. Do you want me to... Oh, no, I'll leave you to it. I'll deal with the rubbish. There you go. Number 1 is done. Number 2. And then also, whilst he's doing that, I'm going to kit up the Jack and Sally one that I've got as well. I think I've got... Oh, I've got 10 colours on my one. So you're using that, so I'll use this. And let's get some of the scissors. Is that number 2?
Number 2.
Okay, so 1 for me is black, so I'm not going to kit that up because there's too much in there to go in these pots. Enough room in there. And how are you finding the drills? Are they good quality? Any static?
A little bit.
A little bit static, okay. But not too bad. Right, I'm going to go for the corner method as well. There we are. 2. 3. You spilt any yet?
No.
You doing all right?
Doing all right.
Oh no, this one is going to overflow. Yeah, this probably wasn't the best storage box to kit my one up in. But I'm going to try and squeeze all of them. I always overfill these, but I can't bear to have another bag hanging around. Get those in there. I'm going to go off and find the DMC, sorry, the Diamond Dotz to DMC conversion as well. So when I come to kit these down, hopefully I'll have the, excuse me, I'll have the corresponding numbers. How many have you done now? So you're on pot number 5. this is number 4 for me. Although I skipped out on the first one because I've got a huge bag of black. So what I tend to do with the, when I have got drills that just will not fit in these pots, or even in the screw lid ones, is I'll fill however much I can up, and then I'll just put the rest into a Ziploc bag. In these, as long as the bag's quite flat, it will sit on top, and then I can still shut the lid. So I'll just decide what I want to do with that, because it is a lot of black. Right, number 5 for me. Is this a race?
Depends.
Oh, see, mine's yellow as well. Yellowy orange as well for number 5. Okay. Number 5. Any more issues with static in those? No. And they've all managed to go into the pot so far. Right, 6. You might, oh, I don't know, you might struggle with that white. See if you can get it all in there. 7. This one. So the Diamond Dotz ones are meant to be resin drills. So we'll see how the quality is on these. To be honest, I can't really see any trash in these at all. So they all look to be even. No hitchhikers found so far either. Do you know what a hitchhiker is?
Something that's not supposed to be in there.
That's right, yeah. So quite often in these drill packs, you'll find that you've got one that shouldn't be in there. Likes to hitchhike over. Oh, I see you spilled one. I'm not judging, because normally when I kit up, they go everywhere. Come on. I'm not normally too fussed about getting every single one of them out the packet, but because there's not as many in these packs, and I've recently had an issue with, not with the Diamond Dotz one, but another, it was just a budget-friendly kit. There wasn't enough of a pack of drills, and so I had to go diving through my other kits to try and find, because I didn't have it in my spares, so I went and found I had some in another kit. So that's number 9 for me done. You're struggling with that one. Give it a little wiggle. There we go. I've got a hitchhiker in here, look. The black one hiding out. I'll deal with that when I actually come to use the drills. There we are. Actually, our little friend is right on top. Let's see if I can get him out. There we go. He's gone. Yeah, so I think what I'll do is I will add some of those in, and then I'll get a Ziploc bag to put the rest of them in. Let's see if I've got one to hand. Yeah, there's some in here. You nearly done with yours?
Yeah. You've
got to be careful with those pots, because that one, you can't always tell what the 6 and the 9 look the same. So you just have to be careful when putting them back in, to make sure that you put them back in. Okay, let's... Oh no, I just cut it and there were drills there. So I'll fill up these black ones. These black drills are really nice. Really shiny on these. Okay, let's not push our luck. And then what I'll do is I'll pop the rest of them into... I you could do that. You could put a line underneath it so you know which way up.
I'll let you do that.
Okay, so are you going to remember that 9 is the dot though? And not 6 is the dot. That's why I said put a line underneath. Okay, so I'm just going to put the rest of the black ones in here. A little bit of static on these, and there's a little bit of trash in these as well. The rest of them have been really good quality though. Okay, so we have, oh no, that's the black. If I was really worried, if I had too many colours, then I'd write number 1 on here. So I have my, oh, I'll not go down, there we go. I have mine now kitted up, ready for my Jack and Sally painting, and James now has his ready kitted up to do his Millennium Falcon. So we're going to go and make a start on these, I think, and then they will be, I'll show you them in an upcoming review video once we have them completed. So thanks very much for joining us today. If you've enjoyed the video, then what do you need to ask them to do?
No idea.
How many videos have I filmed? Hundreds. What do they need to ask? What do we need to ask them to do? Give the video a
thumbs up,
and then
like the video.
Like the video, and if
Subscribe.
That's it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and drop me any comments, or drop us any comments down below, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye. Do you want to say bye?